chairs we sit on, the phones we use, the cars we drive, that needs to be built somehow. And the best way to do that is through manufacturing. This class helps us learn the basics of manufacturing.
I didn't know anything about the program. Actually, all I know was that at the end of it, I get a certificate, and that certificate can grant me to either go into a really good college or to go straight to the workforce.
It's a lot of hands-on work, and so you get more experience instead of sitting in a classroom and just listening to the teacher talk. What he does is he goes through the lesson, and then after that, we'll do some work with the actual machines. It's just a lot of experience that you won't get in a regular classroom.
In the classroom, we talk about safety, the importance of safety, and how to work out in the lab, like protective equipment, how to make sure when you're working that you're safe and everything.
There's a lot of jobs you can get basic manufacturing job, basic like assembly line jobs, or you can move up to get jobs such as in 3D printing, operating systems on the floor. You can also do quality control jobs. The field is so wide.
Usually I'm just, at my computer making a design or like just messing around, but to actually see that appear in real life, and I could actually touch it with my hand, is surreal.